Hello, my name is Hugues Nadeau. I am a general contractor. If you are watching this tutorial, it is because you want to protect the integrity of your exterior siding and avoid the risk of water infiltration when carrying out your project. This tutorial should help you choose a suitable bracket model and the number of brackets for your project. It is essential to understand that each Nami Fixations bracket is unique and has its own bearing capacity. I'll give you an example. The N2 bracket has a capacity of 3,000 pounds, while the N1200 bracket has a total of 1,200 pounds. Even if they are similar and have the same function, the applicable quantity cannot be the same due to their different load-bearing capacities. Before you purchase any brackets, the first step is to determine which model is best suited for your project. For a beam parallel to the foundation, you must choose the N2 or N1200 model. For a beam perpendicular to the foundation, you must choose either the NP3, NP4, or NP5 model. For a structure in elevation, you must choose the N56 model. The second step is to determine the structure's performance and establish the number of brackets needed according to their capacities. To ensure that your project complies with the regulations, find out your area's applicable standards, since capacity requirements differ depending on the location. At Nami Fixations, we refer to the professional norms by using 100 pounds per square foot as a reference load as mentioned by the National Building Code article. Keep in mind that this calculation is for information purposes only. It does not replace the consultation and validation of a professional to ensure compliance. Furthermore, each project is unique in its design, geographical location, and local regulations. Nami Fixation Incorporated's responsibility is limited to providing a part with a performance level validated by accredited engineers. The number of brackets and their use is the sole responsibility of their users. That said, here's how to calculate the number of brackets for a project. Multiply the length of the deck by its depth. The result must be multiplied by 100 pounds to estimate the load-bearing capacity of the structure. Then, divide the result by 2, since the deck is supported equally on one side by the piles and the other by the brackets. Finally, it is important to divide the result by the capacity of the bracket. Here's what it looks like with concrete numbers. 12 feet by 12 feet, 144. Multiplied by 100 pounds, which gives 14,400 pounds. Then divide by 2, which equals 7,200 pounds. 7,200 divided by 1,200 pounds, which is the capacity of the N1200 rack, equals 6 brackets. It is important to understand that the support load is directly related to the distance between the brackets and the second anchor. This allows you a little leeway in your calculation and may help you save on the number of brackets you need, all while ensuring safety. Here are 3 scenarios taken from the previous example, which involves a 12 by 12 deck supported by N1200 brackets. In the first scenario, as we have seen, the brackets are placed at the ends of the deck, that is, 12 feet from the brackets. Therefore, the load to be supported is 7,200 pounds. This setup requires 6 N1200 brackets. In the second scenario, the brackets are at 10 feet with a 2-foot cantilever. Therefore, the load to be supported is 6,000 pounds on the bracket. This lower load, compared to the first scenario, requires 5 N1200 brackets. Therefore, you save on 1 bracket. The third scenario includes the addition of extra support at 4 feet from the foundation. This way, the load on the brackets is limited to 2,400 pounds. This requires only 2 N1200 brackets, 4 less than the initial scenario. Each project is unique. That is why it is vital to get information to respect local regulations. Nami Fixation's commitment is to offer validated quality parts so that you benefit from a safe and durable installation, all while limiting the risk of deterioration to your home. Need more help? You can always refer to the Namifix.com website or simply scan the QR code located on the bracket packaging.